Welcome to the 2026 Chrome AI Upgrade, a friendly guide to what's new, what's helpful, and how to stay in control. Tech changes fast, but I'm here to keep it simple for you. Your browser just got a brain transplant. It looks the same on the outside. All your bookmarks and buttons are where you left them. But the engine is new. Chrome is no longer just a window to the web. It is a personal assistant named Gemini 3. Think of this as the same car you know how to drive, but now it has a super smart passenger giving you directions. Meet your new sidekick, the AI side panel, the multitasking master. This panel stays open while you browse. It lets you ask questions about the website you are currently looking at without ever leaving the page. Look for the sparkle icon in the top right. Real-life examples, shopping made simple, the old way. Imagine you are comparing 3 different air fryers across 3 different tabs. It's confusing, right? The new way gives you lots more information and makes the layout much simpler. That's Gemini AI at work in the background. Nano Banana, magic for your photos. What is it? A built-in creative tool called Nano Banana. The benefit? Edit or change images directly inside the browser. No friction, no downloading, or fancy software needed. It happens right where you are. Redecorate with a click. The original white-walled photo. Want to change the wall color to blue? See a photo of a living room, but want to see it with blue walls? Just ask the AI to change it. Auto Browse, the agent that does your chores. This is for pro users. The paid tier, AI Pro and Ultra, finds the best flight options. Fill out long, tedious forms. Track down discount codes automatically. It's like hiring a personal assistant to handle the boring stuff. Safety first. Your wallet stays yours. This is again for the paid tier only. This feature is not automatic for everyone. Permission first protocol. The AI always asks for your OK before spending a single penny. It can find the flight, but only you can buy it. Suppose I don't want this, and that's okay. Not everyone wants a brain in their browser. If this feels overwhelming, you are not trapped. You are the boss of your browser. And here's how to turn it off. The visual cleanup. Right-click the Gemini button and select Unpin to hide it. The deep clean. Go to the setting and toggle off the features you don't like. The search fix. For a clean search, change your default search engine to Google Web Only to skip AI summaries. The bottom line. AI is a tool, not a requirement. Try it out. See if it helps you with those air fryers or forms. But always keep your privacy and comfort first. Happy browsing. I'm Bob the Cyber Guy, keeping tech simple for you.